Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jump Black Flash. This advanced technique allows you to unleash a devastating blow from the air, adding a powerful element to your combat strategy. It's not just about dealing damage. Mastering this move can open up new combo opportunities and help you secure decisive victories against even the toughest opponents. We'll break down the exact steps to perform it consistently and effectively. To begin, you'll need to be playing as Yuji Itadori, as this particular Jump Black Flash is unique to his moveset. The core ability you'll be utilizing is his Curse Strikes. Think of the Jump Black Flash as a special, enhanced finisher that activates when you perform Curse Strikes while airborne. It transforms a regular aerial attack into something far more impactful and visually striking. Executing the Jump Black Flash requires precise timing and input. Start by jumping into the air to gain some elevation. Once airborne, activate your Curse Strikes ability. The key is to use the air variant of Curse Strikes as a finisher. This means the Black Flash will automatically occur at the very end of the aerial Curse Strikes animation, delivering a powerful, focused blow to your target with amplified force. The Jump Black Flash isn't just flashy, it's incredibly effective. It amplifies your damage output significantly, often dealing 4 times the normal hit. This makes it perfect for extending aerial combos, maintaining pressure, and delivering decisive finishing blows. To truly master this technique, spend time practicing in a private server against training dummies. Repetition will build the muscle memory needed for consistent execution in real matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.